Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you find yourself in a category whereby you cannot have a shipping address or you cannot even find the shipping address icon on your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to locate your shipping address icon on your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. This is my Pinduoduo shopping app and allow it to load up. It's going to take us right here. Now, this is commonly happen to new Pinduoduo account. If you just create your Pinduoduo account, you are likely to experience this. So what you need to do, for instance, so if I simply click on here now to go to my profile, this particular icon from the bottom right here. So if I click on here to go to my profile, this one, and it takes us to profile right here. Now, when you get to profile right here, you'll see that there is no icon for logistic address right here, but don't panic. There is still a way by which you can use to unveil that. So what you need to do is to simply go back to the home page. Just click on the home icon right here. This home icon here, click on that. So when you click on home icon, it takes you to the home page right here. Now, for you to see your hidden logistic icon for address on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, what you need to do right here is to just click on any product right here. So for instance, if I click on this particular product right here, and it's going to load up like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to simply click on this particular red icon right here, this place right here, click on that, and it's going to pump up here. Next thing I need to do right here is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Now from the checkout right here, you'll be able to add your logistic address in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And for you to do that, simply click on this particular top right here, click on here, allow it to load up, then you have your logistic icon right here. Then you can simply click on this plus, this red right here, click on that, and it's going to load up and show you where you need to enter your logistics address on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So allow it to load up. Here you have it right here. Now, by default, you will see your name. That is your WeChat name is going to be by default. Then here, this is where you had the phone number, your logistic phone number. Then here, this is where you need to choose your region. So here, you can choose your region right here, your province, and your location. Then down below right here, copy and paste the complete address in these sections right here. Once you're done, click on this particular red button right here, and the address is going to be added into your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app successfully. It's as simple as that. So for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.